All you BKT tires for your application will take to town nationwide. Tell your tire dealer you want the best. Tell them you want BKT.
Are you having fun?
Yeah.
You like it?
Yeah, it's crazy.
I can't believe the truck broke.
For real, it got so high though.
And they were like, bring out the tractor.
Yeah.
Well, Monster Jam fans, hey, we got you down here right now, and I know our camera angles probably just aren't accurate right here to get the best shot. I know the fans over here on my side, they can kind of see it. What you're seeing hanging right there, it's called the Ford Link bars. There's 4 of them that attach to the axle. The only other thing holding the axle to the actual truck is the shocks. All 4 Ford Link bars are broken off, and all the shocks are completely broken off. Now, to do this type of work for his crew back there would probably take a good half a day. So I'm just going to let you know right now, this guy, while he's out here, you got to let him hear it because Champ Fortune's been in the business for many, many years, and it's here for you, the fans. And I don't think he's going to make it back here tonight. The thing is, it wasn't his fault at all of what he did. It's just at the time the truck just actually broke. It happens. 10,000 pounds, you take it that high in the air, land it straight on the back tires, and sometimes that's what can happen. So, a big, huge thing though also goes out to our friends from the Camping Store of Gregory Pool. So as we prepare for our next up in our BKT Tires wheelie competition, it's going to be Adam Anderson in Gravedigger is yet to win one of those competitions. Our crew worked very, very hard over there to get everything changed up. They did a great job with Jeremy on our dirt crew. And then the long extension arm that actually Monster Jam built and developed to be able to move these huge machines with ease.
I know, right? He was like touching my legs too. You saw it?
He's like looking at you like this and like...
Why is he looking at you?
I don't know. He's like...